Today's episode is all about something that's quietly reshaping the restaurant industry faster than most owners realize, and that's AI. Not the buzzword version, not the futuristic robots, but the practical, revenue-driving tools that are already helping restaurants increase orders, reduce costs, and make smarter decisions. If you run a restaurant, market one, or just care about how businesses grow in today's landscape, this episode is going to open your eyes to what's actually happening on the ground right now. We're going to walk through real restaurants and brands that are using AI in ways that directly impact their bottom line, from drive-thru automation to personalized marketing to predictive ordering. And by the end, I'll show you how you can quickly assess whether your own business is falling behind or already ahead of the curve. Let's start with one of the most visible uses of AI in restaurants right now, and that's happening at McDonald's. Over the past few years, McDonald's has been testing and rolling out AI-powered drive-thru systems that can take orders automatically. What makes this interesting isn't just the novelty, it's the ROI. These systems reduce labor costs, increase order accuracy, and most importantly, speed up service. Faster service means more cars through the line, and more cars means more revenue. It's a pure efficiency play, and it's one that smaller operators are starting to look at seriously as the technology becomes more accessible. Now compare that to a brand like Domino's Pizza, which has leaned heavily into AI on the digital side. Domino's uses AI to predict ordering patterns, optimize delivery routes, and even recommend items to customers based on past behavior. This isn't just convenience, it's conversion optimization. When a customer opens the app and sees exactly what they're likely to order, plus a smart upsell, the average ticket size goes up. Over thousands of orders, that adds up fast. This is where AI becomes less about automation and more about revenue expansion. Then you've got companies like Toast, which are bringing AI directly into the hands of everyday restaurant owners. Toast and similar platforms are starting to integrate AI-driven insights into their dashboards. Things like which menu items are underperforming, when to staff up or down, and how pricing changes might impact margins. For a small business owner who doesn't have a data analyst on staff, this is huge. It turns raw data into decisions, and decisions into profit. Another fascinating example comes from Chipotle, which has invested in AI for both operations and marketing. They've used AI to forecast demand at specific locations, helping reduce food waste while keeping popular items in stock. At the same time, their digital campaigns use machine learning to target customers with personalized offers. So instead of blasting the same promotion to everyone, they're sending the right message to the right person at the right time. That's the kind of precision marketing that used to be reserved for big tech companies, and now it's showing up in fast casual dining. Let's shift gears for a second and talk about smaller operators, because this is where things get really interesting. You don't have to be a billion-dollar brand to use AI anymore. Tools like OpenTable are incorporating smarter recommendation systems and demand forecasting, helping independent restaurants optimize reservations and reduce empty tables. Even something as simple as automated review responses or AI-generated email campaigns can save hours of time while improving customer engagement. And this is where most restaurant owners hit a wall. They hear all of this and think, that sounds great, but where do I even start? That's exactly why I want to introduce something practical here. If you're running a restaurant or any small business, one of the smartest moves you can make right now is to get a clear picture of how AI-ready your business actually is. Not in theory, but in reality. Are you using your customer data effectively? Are you missing easy automation wins? Are your competitors already doing things you're not? That's where this tool comes in. MyBizReport.com's Golden State Web Consults AEO. This is an AI audit designed specifically for small businesses. It walks through your current setup and identifies where AI could improve your marketing, operations, and overall ROI. Think of it as a diagnostic. It shows you the gaps, but more importantly, it shows you the opportunities. Because the truth is, most businesses don't need more tools. They need better use of the tools they already have. Coming back to the bigger picture, what we're seeing right now is a shift from guesswork to precision. Restaurants that adopt AI, even in small ways, are making faster decisions, reducing waste, and increasing revenue per customer. And the gap between those who adopt and those who don't is only going to widen. So, here's the takeaway. AI isn't replacing restaurant owners, marketers, or staff. It's amplifying the ones who know how to use it. The question isn't whether AI will impact your business. It already is. The real question is whether you're going to leverage it or fall behind competitors who do. That's it for today's episode of Restaurant ROI Roundup. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe and share it with another restaurant owner or marketer who needs to hear this. And if you're serious about understanding where your business stands, go check out that AI audit tool and see what opportunities you might be missing. I'll see you in the next episode.